Would you trust a business that doesn't have a website? Most people want in 2026 a professional website is not optional. It's essential. Here are three reasons why every business needs one. Hi, I am from Srivex Studio, where we build fast, modern website that help business grow. Let's get started. Reason 1. Build trust. When someone hears about your business, they will usually search for it online. A professional website makes your business look trustworthy and established. Without one, many potential customers may choose a competitor instead. Reason 2. Get more customers. Your website work 24 hours. Customers can describe your service, contact you, or request a quote anytime. With good SEO, your website can also bring in new visitors directly from Google. Reason 3. Grow your business. Unlike social media, your website is fully under your control. You decide the design, content, and customer experience. It's your digital office that keeps working even when you're offline. A website builds trust, attracts customers, and helps your business grow. If your business still doesn't have a professional website, now is the perfect time to build on. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more weekly web design and WordPress tips. And if you need a modern website for your business, contact Srivex Studio.